Hey guys, got a surprise packaging today from Recon rings. Let's see what's in it. We've been looking at them for our stuff for the store we're trying to open. Sample pack, thank you for taking time to look at our rings. As a possible product in your store, we'll include a handful of rings of various sizes along with some examples. Excellent. Handwritten note. Everybody likes handwritten notes. On a target, even better. Thank you, Blue Pig. Tom and Steve, who I think their business card says Joint Chiefs of Awesome. So let's see what we got in here. We've got a men's Active Strong. We've got a women's Active Strong Connected in orange. The unisex camo. Piece of, looks like fur, can't tell. Some multis and a sizer. So all about that. Take my cheap rainforest ring off. See if any of these will actually fit me. In between 9.5 and a 9. Let's see, that's a 5. Ooh, that's a 9. Printed. These feel really durable. But you know, I can't tell if that's a 6 or a 9. Probably a 9. That's actually, it's wider, but it's not as thick of a profile as this. It feels durable, but it feels like it would cut, you know, because no one likes ring avulsions. So yeah, wow, I like that. You guys go check out Recon rings. I really like them. I'm going to list these in a post. I don't think any of these will fit Mama Cop, but if it does, we'll give her one. And shoot, the other 4 we'll do a giveaway for. So like us, follow us, subscribe to us on YouTube, and we'll see you next time. Blue Pig out.